You wake up, and the air smells like death. By nightfall, people will be afraid of you. You open your eyes slowly. Everything feels off, too quiet. No birds, no voices, just silence. Your throat burns, dry, sharp. You swallow, it hurts. You sit up, your head spins. Something isn't right, not outside, inside you. You call out for your mother. No answer. You try again, louder this time, still nothing. You stand. Your legs feel weak, like they don't belong to you. Each step creaks loudly, too loudly. You step out of your room. The house is empty, too empty. A bowl of food sits on the table, untouched, rotten. Fear creeps in, slowly, quietly. You walk to the door and push it open. The street is not the same. Shops are closed, doors nailed shut. A cart rolls past you, slowly. You freeze. Bodies stacked on top of each other, covered, but not enough. You see their feet, still, lifeless. A man pushes the cart, his face empty, broken. Bring out your dead. Your chest tightens. You step back. No, this can't be real. Then suddenly, a sharp pain in your side. You gasp. It spreads, like fire under your skin. Your hand presses against it, and you feel it. A lump. Hard. Painful. No. No, no, no. You start walking faster, then faster. You need help. You need answers. You knock on a door. Please, open. Nothing. You knock harder. Still nothing. You hear someone inside. They're there. They just won't open. They're hiding from you. You run, past empty streets, abandoned homes. The smell hits you harder now. Rotting, decay, death. You cover your nose. It doesn't help.
Wake up.
It's everywhere.
I can't do this.
Inside your lungs, inside your head.
Back to me.
You see a woman crying, holding someone. Help, please. She looks at you. Her eyes widen. Not at the body, at you. Stay away, she screams. You freeze. I'm not sick. But even you don't believe it. The pain grows. Your body burns. Your head pounds. You stumble. Fall to your knees. Your heart races, too fast, too loud. You try to breathe, but the air feels heavy, like it's crushing you. You cough, once, twice. Then, blood, dark, thick. Your hands shake. This is real. You collapse against a wall. Cold stone touches your skin. You close your eyes, just for a second. Bells, loud, slow. Funeral bells, again and again. Night falls. You're on the ground, too weak to move. Every breath hurts. Every second feels like your last. Footsteps. Someone is coming. A figure stands over you, face covered, silent, watching. You reach out. Help me. They don't move. You cough again. More blood. Your vision darkens. This is it. You're going to die. They step back, slowly, like you're dangerous, and they leave. Your body trembles, cold now, so cold. The pain fades, and that scares you because you know what comes next. You stare at the sky, stars above you, calm, peaceful, like nothing is wrong. You hear it again, the cart, closer. Bring out your dead. Hands grab you, lift you, throw you onto wood. Bodies around you, cold. Still. You try to speak. I'm alive. No sound comes out. The cart moves, slow, unstoppable. And then you realize they don't wait anymore. If you look dead, you are dead. You didn't survive the plague. You became part of it.